Yes, hello, welcome! Welcome back guys to another tech video with Human and Suten, and today we're going through the benefits of the Microsoft Launcher for Android. So one of the benefits with the Microsoft Launcher is the frequently used apps tab page. You can use it as your home page or any other page on the home screen. I use it as my home page, and this is because I don't bother with the hassle to do a dedicated home screen with folders and put my most used apps. So this does it for me. So I use my frequently used apps and all come here in a list. So the most apps that I use are here, easy to access. The second benefit with the Microsoft Launcher is the task page. You can just type whatever you want to do for the day, if you just come up with it or if you plan the day. And then you can just check the things you have done and you have full control of your day. And of course you can use any app in any launcher for this, but this is just the simplicity of the Microsoft Launcher. You just swipe to that page and then you have your day, you know what to do. So this is just all about simplicity. The third benefit of this launcher is this welcome page. It says good afternoon Humayun, and I can easily access the weather, and also this is the page where you put widgets, and I use my calendar widget because that is the most important widget for me. I use it to track time of my college schedule and my personal tasks. And if you just swipe here in this tab, you get to the news tab, and there you choose whatever newspapers you are interested in, and you can easily access the news on the morning or in the evening. I use it when I drink my coffee. And the fourth benefit of this launcher is the timeline page, and this is the page where it's all seamlessly connected with your Windows 10 devices. If I use the browser, the Windows Edge browser, or if I type a document on my Microsoft Office, I can easily access it through the Microsoft Launcher on my Android OS using the timeline page. And this is all connected very seamlessly. As Satya Nadella said, it's not about the mobility of the device, it's about the mobility of the experience. The fifth benefit with this launcher is that it looks so seamlessly Metro design as the Windows 10. You can use the colors, you can use the transparency, and you can customize it so it looks very neat and exactly as you want, just as the Windows 10 today. So it's seamlessly designed through your Windows 10 PC and your Android device. And this is the closest we can get to a Microsoft phone today, because we all know the story about the Windows phones today. But this is an awesome launcher, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will try this Microsoft Launcher, because I really do enjoy it, and I just want you to test it out because it's an awesome launcher. And don't forget to comment on this video, like and subscribe, and use that notification bell. And remember, this is Human and Suten.